Hey there, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I'm so excited to start this journey with you all. As someone who is passionate about web development, I want to help others get started in this amazing field. Today, we are going to tackle the first step of becoming a web developer, which is setting up your development environment. So if you are completely new to coding, don't worry, because I'm going to try as much as I can to break things down into simple and easy to follow steps. So before we dive into this, let me explain what a development environment is. Think of it as a digital workspace. Just like a chef needs their kitchen tools, a web developer also needs their specific tools to write and text code effectively. So we'll be using two main things here. The first is the VS Code, and the second is the Google Chrome. So we're talking about how you can install a VS Code in your laptop. And then, of course, most of you must have had Google Chrome in your system. But even if you don't, you have to run through the process of it. All right, let's get started with trying to download our text editor. So like I already said, we'll be using the VS Code. So you open up your Google, go to google.com, open it up, then on the search, you type VS Code. Yeah, download. Yeah, we can search through this. Now the first link, Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, and Windows. And for this tutorial, we'll be using Windows. We'll not be using Mac OS or Linux. We'll be using Windows. So if you're using Windows, I think this will be more comfortable with this tutorial. All right. So you click on the link. It should take you to the download page like this. Windows, yes. So we go with this. Click on it. Thanks for downloading. Okay. I think it's downloading, so wait until the download completes. As usual, it's going to be depending on your internet speed. Yeah, your internet speed is going to determine how long this download is going to take. I think at the moment my internet speed is very, very slow, but we're going to wait until it's done. All right, so now your download is complete. So you come here, it downloads in your browser, then you see what you downloaded, then you double click on it so that it's going to open. Alternatively, you can right click, show in folder. Once it shows up, you can now double click, but in all, they're going to do the same thing. So it's coming up. Okay, it says, do I accept? Yeah, you accept agreements and you continue. This is the location where the software is going to be installed. All right, so yes, you say it's okay. This is your user, your Dell app, programs. Yeah, say okay, go. This is the name, move. Create a desktop icon, yes. Register as a editor, blah, 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 blah. You leave them like that. You go and you click on install and you wait while it installs. You understand? And we're still waiting patiently. Okay, now it's installing. It's installing. You wait. There's nothing else you can do at this point. We just wait and hope everything goes as planned. Yes. Okay, it's still installing, it's extracting files. Installation is still in progress. Okay, completing the Visual Studio Code Setup wizard. launch the tutorial video, you finish. Alright, so once what you did was successful, you're going to see an icon on your desktop that reads Visual Studio Code. So you open it up, you double click on it. Okay, now it's open. So once it's open, this is your first time, so you're going to set it up to make it look the way you want it to look. Alright, now first use AI features with Copilot for free. Yeah, as a beginner, you might not actually understand what this is, but in the future, you'll get to understand how you can use this feature. But for now, you just take it good and you choose a theme. A theme is actually how your layout is going to look like. Alright, it can be this, it can be this, you understand? It can be this, it can be this, whatever it is you prefer. But for me, I prefer dark. Yes. All right. So I choose this, and I'll mark as done. Now this is what your VS Code is going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Here you see your file, edits. Here, this is your Explorer tab. Here is your search. Here we have your source control. Here we have how you can run and debug code. Here you have extensions where you can search for extensions. So on this video we'll be talking about what extensions are, and we're going to be installing some few extensions that are very important for beginners for this course.